Every secret has expiry date. One day now, one day, the matter the secret will be exposed. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing, no. Nothing you are doing behind closed doors. Someone is watching. Hey, makanoku nagawara wara, anya nagawara wara na foya. Nyapu weba kemwe no fe. Tibora kamada inugo.
My king, I still don't understand why you refuse to listen to the maidens to find out why they fight.
I am a king, and a wise one at that. I want them to understand that nothing justifies unruly behavior in my palace. That is first. Then I can call them and give them ideas and know why they were fighting.
You're right, my king. I can even help you find out why they were fighting. Because it's a domestic matter.
It outgrew domestic matter the moment it brewed into a fight.
My king is stressed. Why don't you just come ease his stress on me?
Come?
Yeah, I want my king.
I am tired. I am tired.
The secret will be exposed. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing, no. Nothing you are doing behind closed doors. Someone is watching. Hey, makanoku nagawara wara, anya nagawara wara na foya. Nyapu weba kemwe no fe. Tibora kamada inugo.
What is whim? Can't you sweep again? Huh? Let me teach you how to sweep. Come on. Come on. Come on, sweep. We are doing whim. Watch me. See. This is how to sweep. Give me my broom. Give me my broom. But you want to take the broom? I take it. Short gear. Take. Take it.
Give me my broom. Give me my broom. Give my broom. Give my broom.
Get away from me.
Give me my broom now.
Here comes. See you. How was it? See them. If it's Shagana, you will be walking like uncle. See you walking like this. Now you cannot sleep.
Every secret has expiry date.
It's all of us. They're very wicked.
The secret will be exposed.
Is this really what I have to face for the rest of my life? He barely touched me. And to think I was lucky enough to have him mount me today, only to ride like a pregnant horse. I really have to solve my libido problem as soon as I can. I really have to do something.
Eh? Allow me to go inside. I need to see David. It's very, very important.
See this girl. Oh. It's like you want to sleep here. It's in Alueba. Hey, let me even leave.
Eh, okay, fine. What do you want me to do? Tell me what you want me to do so I can see David. All the very, very important.
Is it that you don't have common sense or what? You don't have common sense. Let me explain it to you. Whenever you get to a checking point where they have policemen, look at their hand, you see them stretching 20, 50, onaga. If you reach there, ask them the meaning of that in Hanala. You don't, since you don't have sense.
Corruption. Corruption. Corruption is everywhere. Oga, allow me to go. I don't have any money on me. When next I'm here, I will give you something.
Anyway, I was doing something before you came. Let me go and continue. You are not serious.
Because I'm pleased now. Eh? Please, let me see David. It's very important that I see David.
Hey, why are you holding me like this now? So you are trying to make me forget the financial benefit of my job, eh? And tell them you didn't see me. Let me go, Jerry.
Are you going to call him? Okay now. If you don't call him, how do you expect me to give you money when next I'm here? No problem. Don't call him.
Just because of God. Hold on, I'm coming.
Corruption everywhere. Ha! Now, wow. Chineke nyekwelu mmadụ aka, nyekwelu ndị ogbenye aka.
My friend! The most handsome and colorful prince of Igube Kingdom. I greet you.
What is it?
My ruler. See, my prince, you know you gave your humble gate man, you gave me an assignment. And I did not even waste time. Piam, I am done. And
What assignment did I give you?
Prince, that girl, the small girl, that's palm wine seller. The one you said if I see her, I should just call you. She's here live and direct.
She's here?
Live and direct.
She's here to see me.
Eh?
Let her in.
Here to see you? No. Prince, she is here to see David. She told me that she is here to see David. In fact, she even offered to give me bribe. And I said no. You know, I'm well trained. People like us, we don't take bribe. We are very nice people. So I said no, I rejected her offer. And I said, let me come and tell you first.
Well, still let her in and tell David to see her.
Eh? I should tell David to see her.
That's what I said.
Hey. This one is confusing.
How are you doing, David?
My queen, I'm fine. I'm doing very well.
That's good. I like it when you call me that. My queen. I need you to take me somewhere for a meeting.
My queen, the princess might be needing me to go somewhere.
What nonsense! Will you get ready and take me somewhere before I change my mind? I get your sack later already. Are you okay?
Yes, my queen. Let me take your shoes.
Be fast about that. Come.
Have you entered the Queen's bad book again?
No, not at all. Oh. She only needs me to take her somewhere for some meeting like that.
You, as expert driver, or as the only driver in the palace, I don't understand. My friend, go outside and see your girlfriend. Don't know what you're saying.
My girlfriend?
Yeah.
Do I have a girlfriend?
Do you look like someone that doesn't have a girlfriend? Go outside and see Amaka and you are talking nonsense.
Oh, wait. Amaka. Amaka is here. Where is she?
She's on the throne. In fact, the elders are gathered. She will soon give her verdict. My friend, go outside and see your girlfriend. Where is she? Come and see her. She's seated beside the Igwe.
I am only but a servant to the royals. I carry out my duties with humility. As a good son, they respect everybody, and that they serve everybody. But they say that I too they carry shoulder, and they say I they cross the boundary. But every day, Aquamoka no. Jay, man, I get like a mequalano, Eja Junamano. Hey, cause every day, Moka no. Ay, man, I get like a messilino, Eja Junamano. Hey, I am only but a servant to the royal home. Yeah. I carry out my duties with humility. As a good son, they respect everybody, and that they serve everybody. But they say that I too they carry shoulder, and they say I they cross the boundary. But every day, Aquamoka no. Jay, man, I get like a
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yes, my
I
prince.
need you to get me a cold bottle of Tim Soda.
Tim Soda?
Yes.
My prince, I think there are more Tim Soda.
And you think I didn't check before asking you to buy it? My friend, will you take this money now and buy me Tim Soda?
So let me go and get the car keys.
Wonder shall never end. You want to ride in the royal car to buy ordinary Tim Soda? I see you've lost some screws upstairs. What are you still doing there? Okay. My friend, go and get me Tim Soda.
Guys, Bruno.
Good afternoon, my prince.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Please just stick around. He'll be back soon.
No, my prince, I'm already on.
I insist to wait. Yeah? We're back here. It's not going to take time.
Okay, my prince.
Please. Hello, Mom. Right now. Excuse me. Mother, you sounded very urgent.
Yes, my prince. I have an important meeting to attend. Tell your father when he wakes.
Okay, ma'am.
Dochi,
Mother.
who was that girl I saw you with through the window?
Oh, it's a nobody. It's just David's friend.
David? David brought his girlfriend to this palace? Is this a guest house or something?
Well, Mother, I don't think they have anything romantic together. If they do, it will certainly not be in this...
It's a bad idea to bring her here! This is his workplace! Tim! By the way, where is he?
Well, I sent him on an errand. He'll be back soon. Oh, excuse me, Mother. You're so useless. What is keeping you? Something you've been away for how many minutes? You know what? Just keep it for me. I'll be right back. Let me know. Okay. Amaka, right?
Yes, my prince.
Come, let me come. Your lover is not coming back now.
Thank you so much, my prince. Don't worry, I will take a keke or bike. Oh, thank you, sir.
Vika, open the gate for me.
Okay, I know.
Amaka, hop in.
My prince, I'm trying to get a bike.
It's okay. Just come and let me drop you off.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Driver,
Eh?
your food is ready.
What did you call me?
Driver.
Are you okay? Now, Paula, come here. Are you not scared? Come here. Why didn't you bring the food here?
Bring your food here.
Yes.
As what?
You think it's easy to be a prince driver?
The king or the queen, or as princess that you are. Your food is ready.
Yeah, Chapaya, this palace. Go and bring my food, please.
See, driver, if you make your food, come inside your food.
You're insulting my rank, oh. You're insulting me, oh.
Right.
Other ladies do bring my food for me. I don't understand you. Like, I bring my food for me. Now, what's all this now?
Sorry. Did any one of you see that girl that was standing there?
Hi, are you okay? Do I look like your gatekeeper? Did you keep any girl for me to secure for you? Now, what did they worry you now? On this hot afternoon, you ask me this kind of question. Don't go and bring my food. What's all this now? I'm hungry. Oh.
David, the rumors about you and this girl is really trending. I hope this will not lead you into trouble.
You're talking of trouble. Trouble. He's only sitting on the time bomb. As you see him so. You are sitting on a C4 time bomb. Because very soon, you see you impregnate that girl. It's just you'll get that girl. Very soon you impregnate that girl.
Amaka is only my friend. Nothing else. Even though she's a beautiful girl that any man will want to settle down with.
Exactly how it starts.
David, the queen is seated in this living room waiting for you, and here you are, shutting your mouth.
I don't forget.
Why won't you forget? When you are busy chasing a palm wine tapper's daughter with that palm wine. We know the story of David in the Bible with women. Look, Negotia, he thought he's going to be different. Yes, wife is waiting for you to come and take
your food. Look, come and carry your food.
See, bring my food and come. Look, I'm not joking with you. Don't reduce my rank in this palace because of food, though. Bring my food from you. Never rubbish.
My queen.
What took you this long?
I couldn't find things soda around. So I had to go away. Let me quickly give it to the prince.
He's not around. Get the car keys, let's go out.
Okay, my queen.
I am only but a servant to the royal home. I carry out my duty.
So sorry about the way I treated you initially. And to think you were having something with David, our driver.
It's fine, my prince. My father told me you came to the house. And he said you sounded like you wanted peace.
Oh yes, I did. And that's because I'm a peaceful man. Oh yes, I am. You see, I also thought it wise to have a meeting with you outside the palace and your home.
Huh. I'm sorry, my prince. My father did not tell me that one.
Well, that's because I didn't tell him either. Look, it's totally harmless, huh? Let's go somewhere, sit down and have this chit-chat.
My prince, maybe some other time because I have evening sales to make. So it can't work. I have to rush home. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's fine. In that case, I'll have to drive you home and then possibly have that conversation in front of your father.
Okay, that would be nice.
That'll be nice. All right, let's go home.
All right.
Okay.
Is that not my son's car driving into that compound?
Yes, my queen.
What is he doing there?
That is what I don't know. But that compound belongs to the Pamwan Tapa. That's Oju's compound.
The same compound of the girl I saw in the palace earlier today.
Exactly, my queen.
I need you to find out what my son is doing there.
I will, my queen. So I just pack and...
Do it at your leisure. But keep it discreet.
Every secret has expiry date. One day now, one day, the matter makwana. The secret will be exposed now. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing's nothing you have to be.
My king, the king of my heart, the only man that I love so much. My king, I am here to make you feel better. Your blood tonic is here to make you happy. I want you to be happy for me.
Ah, baby. Your finger gingers all the fiber in my flesh.
Are you enjoying it?
You're touching all the original source of my body. Deeper. Press it against my body.
You like it here?
Just press it against my body.
Okay. Oh, baby.
Who are you?
I am your blood tonic. I am your love.
I know I can trust you.
How can you trust a man you've not kissed or touched or serviced for some time now? Can you do that?
The reason for the services has been misbehaving. And that means you'd not be keeping your own side of bargain.
I don't understand. Are you trying to tell me that the prince of this kingdom has not been breathing you or touching you? What is why?
For a while now. Now tell me, is he seeing someone else?
I don't understand. Why are you asking me such questions? Are you in any way not seeing it in your mind to marry the prince?
I don't get. Is that too much to have as a dream?
I never said so. So what happens to our relationship?
We have never been in love. You only demanded for sex as a payment for me to get into the prince's life. And ever since then, you've been behaving like Oliver Twist.
You won't blame me for behaving like Oliver Twist. Listen, sex is sweet. It's sweeter with you. Listen, I'll put in words for you when the prince returns back to the palace. I'll talk to him about that. Okay? Meanwhile, just give me 1 month. Let's get it
I don't want trouble.
Not
now. I don't want to catch us.
Don't worry, the prince is not around. But don't worry, okay? Man, don't need let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey. Okay, Papa. You're welcome. Oh? No. Hey.
Welcome, Mazudu. The greatest tapper of our time.
Oh, yeah. The great Princess Doshie. Mwagumba. You're welcome to my home.
I hope you know the kind of lovely daughter you have.
I do.
Actually, I came to see you for something very important. But since you were not around, I was about leaving. But now that you're here, let me just say it.
My prince, whatever it is, I'm at your service.
Good. You see, I want a bridge between your daughter and that stupid driver of ours.
You mean that Bizaga, that David?
Yes, David.
I don't even like that boy. It's a scallywag.
Good.
I don't want him.
Good. So you think you can do that for me?
Consider it done, Prince.
I like that.
Yes.
I like that. Here.
Yes.
For your stress.
Ozokwa?
One more thing, huh? So,
Papa,
huh?
do you know I was about coming to join you before you came back?
It's alright, my dear. It's alright.
Okay, so Mazi, I'll take my leave now, huh?
Okay. Okay.
Alright, take care.
Papa, how was your day?
I sold everything.
Where were you? I was in my room. Alright. Tell me, is there anything wrong with you and your brother?
Mother, I don't understand.
Come to think about it, you have barely lasted in a relationship for a month. And obviously your brother does not even have a girlfriend. Talk of a fiancé to present to your father and I.
Mother, would you rather I present you with a low life? Someone who is not befitting? No, I know what I deserve. Don't you think I deserve better? A man who is too much of a man. I want my man to come complete. Someone presentable, somebody who will love me, treat me like a princess I am. Not all these dirty, low lives that are not even up to standard. I don't regret walking away from stupid people. I do that always, and that's what they deserve. So when I get someone who is befitting, worthy of having me as a wife, I'll let you know. I'll present him to His Royal Majesty and Her Majesty.
Thank you. Because, I am beginning to think that low-life driver David is trying to get his way into your heart.
No way, Mom. You can't say that. You can't possibly say that to me. How can I stoop so low? David is a diligent, nice, focused driver. I gave it to him, and that's why I respect and like him. Nothing short of that.
Better. I believe you because I know there's this particular girl that he's seeing.
No, he doesn't have a girlfriend. They're just friends. I know.
Defender of Troy. Anyways, he is taking me out for a meeting. You know I suspended my driver. Indefinitely though.
It's fine. In a nutshell, you want my car and my driver. You can have it. But make sure you treat him well, okay? Excuse me.
Pack this car.
My queen.
Take her. I have something very important to discuss with you before we continue.
Okay, my queen. Should I alert?
Not yet.
Okay.
David, how will you feel when you want something so bad and it's so close to you, yet you can't get it?
You tried harder to make it work.
Oh, exactly why I want you to stop a taxi. Why we move to a nearby hotel and then you make love to me.
Jesus. May the gods forbid that I share the bed with the queen that sits near the great Agumba.
You mean the wicked Agumba? The Agumba that cannot even satisfy my sexual urge or desire. Come on.
My queen, I promise never to say this to anyone. Please, don't say this to me again, I beg you.
You are the one that is so close enough to do this. And I always get whatever I want.
My queen, please, I will drive you back to the palace and pretend as if nothing has ever happened.
Are you sure you don't want this?
Please.
Yeah, Amaka. Leave that firewood and come here. Leave the firewood and come here.
Papa, this one, your face is like this. Hope there is no problem.
That depends on the answer you give to my questions now. Sit down. Nolan.
Papa, Nam, you know I've never lied to you before. I will not start now. Why?
Amaka, how well do you know the palace driver?
David?
Yes. The second question comes immediately you answer this first one.
Okay, Papa. I know him very, very well. David is a very nice man. He has a large heart and he's my friend. In fact, he's the only friend I have in this community, my only male friend. And I appreciate our friendship so, so much.
You appreciate your friendship. That is to say he has not visited your Jerusalem.
Visited what, Papa?
You are Jerusalem.
Ha! Papa, David is a very nice man. Yes, he's a gentleman. And I see no evil where he is.
Now, you have to avoid him for some time and know how he reacts.
Why, Papa?
That is how you know how good he is. do what I've just said now.
My king. My king, are you okay?
Hi.
You ride like a man in his 20s. And I am super proud of you.
A lion is a lion any day. A soldier is a soldier any day. And a vampire, always a vampire. You tickled the innermost part of my libido.
My king, this is exactly why you should upgrade me today. Your next queen.
Can you hear yourself? How did it sound to you? When my own son, the prince of this kingdom, has not even presented a girlfriend, talk of a wife.
My king.
How do you say it?
My king. It doesn't matter. As long as both of us love each other.
Enough. Dress up and leave.
I should dress up. No, my king. It hasn't gotten to that extent, my king. You know I love you so much.
Enough!
My king, please.
Don't provoke the demon in me. Dress up and leave now.
My king, I'm sorry for upsetting you. My love, I'm sorry.
I will upgrade and credit your account today unfairly. Now leave.
I should leave.
I am your king. I don't push and pull at the same time. I said leave!
Okay, sorry.
Leave my princess now!
I'm sorry.
A lion always remains a lion. A vampire. A vampire.
My love, I'm sorry for...
You are...
What rubbish! What nonsense! I'll call you back. In fact, he has to be sacked.
Mom, what is it? I've never seen you this angry. What's the problem?
Is it not that your stupid driver?
David again. He's beginning to take too much in this palace. What has he done?
How could he be so careless and reckless? How could he be a reckless and a careless driver? And when I try to complain, the idiot just...
Your Highness, the keys.
How dare you try to interrupt me when I'm talking? Are you mad?
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Now get out of this place before I give you your sack later. Give me the keys! Get out! Out!
Are you deaf? Go. Mom, it's okay, please. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry.
I have had it up to the brim with this driver. I can't stand it anymore!
It's okay, Mom. You know you're so pretty and anger doesn't really look pretty on you. Smile for me. So would you like to have a glass of chilled water?
What about smoothies? You didn't smoothies?
Okay, I'll get a maid to make one for you. Hey, who's close? Ada?
To make one
For you. Okay, you want me to do it myself? Anything for my queen.
That's my princess.
I am only but a servant to the royal home. I carry out my duties with humility. As a good son, I they respect everybody, and I they serve everybody. But they say that I too they carry shoulder, and they say I they cross the boundary.
David, what is it?
It's nothing.
Nothing.
I think I should leave this palace for good.
Why? See, just calm down and talk to me.
There's nothing really to talk about. The queen had her driver. She sacked him for no just reason. And my job description spells it out clearly that I drive the princess and the princess alone.
See, I think you have to talk to the princess about it.
Some things are better unsaid.
Secondly, you don't have to quit your job. You have not gotten another job. It's not easy out there. David, think.
I'm not going anywhere. Oh my God, this man, leave me alone in this house. Okay. What am I doing in this house? This is my father's house. I'm not going anywhere today, tomorrow, or any day. Leave me alone.
Okay, whether you like it or not, you must leave this house. I'll return back to this house. See, this is where you belong.
Where's it?
What are you doing?
Where's it? Where's it? You asked me to go back to? I've lived there for many years. Go and live there if you want to. Does city bad for you? I have come here to stay, and I'm staying here today, tomorrow, and forever. I'm not going anywhere. I can't go all the time. Is Eko bad for you? Go to Eko and stay now. That's the road to Eko.
Hey.
Don't you ever disturb me with this Eko business again. I've warned you for the last time. If you try me with that Eko business again, I will show you.
You're talking
last
to me
one.
Like this. Hey, what have I done to myself? Having a useless boy like you that cannot make use of your youthful age.
What?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? You are in the city, making doing well. You are here disturbing me, laundering for one place or the other. Okay. Are you not ashamed?
Okay.
If
so man, who is useless? Can you boast of putting one block on this building?
You are talking to me like
this. Can you boast of putting one single block on this building? I did it myself. To painting, to the walls, everything I did myself.
Hey.
What can you boast of? If it was that easy, show me what you've achieved now. Useless man. You are here every day. Go to Eko.
You are calling your father useless.
You are a useless man.
You are children.
You are a useless man. You are a useless man.
I don't blame you.
What have you achieved?
That is what you are
useless
good at.
Man. Stay in the place and eat only fufu every day.
Shameless idiot.
Shameless man.
That is
shameless man.
I don't blame you.
You know what? Yeah? I'm tired of being in this house, and I will teach you very soon.
You are talking to me like this. I don't blame you. I assure you, this house will not contain both of us. You come and meet me here. Useless idiot. You are even pointing a accusing finger at me. Your children will do the same thing to you. Idiot.
What do you want from me? Eh? What have I inherited from you? Eh? Jesus Christ. Let us see road. What's wrong with you? Eh? In fact, you guys in this country, this place is mad.
What are you?
What is wrong with you?
You should be thankful to God that I did not kill you.
Look at this man. Look at this man. Are you... Jesus Christ. Oh boy, you fresh, oh.
Look at the game, my boy.
Is that your car?
I'm going to go.
You was time.
Oh boy, how are you?
Long time no see.
It's been long I saw this man since after our secondary school days.
You see, I said this man with this car will break this car. I'm tired in this village, my
brother. I was driving.
And
I saw you murmuring to yourself. And I said to myself, this is Ukadike, my man. The same footage. The same footage.
Don't mind my stepfather. That man has been stressing me since I came to this village.
You mean it?
I came from Lagos now, and I came here because I've been having some problems. And that man will not let me rest. I'm tired. I said, this car, I will break this car today. Brother.
You know old men and their ways. You know how they can be out.
I know. But wait, is this your car?
You know what? No much ceremony here. Just hop into the car, let me spoil you.
Abi?
Let's go above, bro.
I'm going.
I need to buy you a drink.
Look at the game. My brother.
Let's go the water.
Let's go.
Water.
My queen, I called us here for something very, very important for this family and for the entire community. It worries me that none of my children has been able to get a reasonable suitor up to this moment. None has been presented to the king. Son, I want to bring to your notice that until you get a wife, you may not be crowned the king of this noble kingdom.
What?
Yes.
And if your sister gets married before me, her husband will be considered the king.
Impossible. Are you...
You think so? That is a tradition and cannot be punctured at all.
Bro, I am tired of this village. This village is like a living hell for me. Can you imagine? Even my father, that I've done everything for, as soon as he realized that I had no one left, this man changed up for me. Everything about him changed.
It's so sad, my brother. I'm really sorry about it, you know. But don't worry, I'll talk to the prince to help me beg his mom, the queen of the palace, to secure a job for you. You can come work with us at the palace, you know. There's a free car for you to drive, a good salary, a lot of maidens you can hook up to, you know what I mean? I know you like that.
Brother, listen, yeah. I like how that sounds, yeah. But honestly, I'm not even worried about all those ones. That money I define for that. I'm more interested in money. I need to get back on track fast.
Don't worry. You'll be back on track before you know it. And meanwhile, let's exchange contacts.
Okay. Oh, just type it here, brother. Type it here. My phone be that now.
That's my number. Please, pick my line so I have yours.
Okay.
So
thank you very much, brother. You're a real friend, man. You're a real G.
Go ahead and drink. You have one more bottle.
No, I'm done.
You're done?
Money. That's what I'm looking for, man.
Madam, please let me have my bill. Let me pay before I leave.
Thank you very much, man. I appreciate this. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, man.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
And process the rubbish father just said?
How certain are you? Are you sure this is not a ploy to make us get suitors as soon as possible?
You might have a point there. In that case, let's go and talk to mom immediately.
Not right now. We'll talk to her, but not now. They're still together, so we'll do that later. But right now, I want you to relax your nerves and be happy. Okay?
For now, I just think I need to go out, sit down somewhere to cool off. Have some bottles or something.
It's okay. Do what makes you happy.
Ebu!
My prince. Ebu actually went out to get the car with balance freeze.
Without telling me?
My prince, he said you were busy then.
When he gets back, you have me to contend with. I really think this could be okay.
Yeah, I think
it
it's
had better be. Because how can he be joking with such things?
Calm down. Your blood is too hot.
Don't you know what's at stake?
For crying out loud, you're a prince. Relax. Okay?
Pretenders. Jealousy. This one doesn't even know they are not supposed to be fighting. And who is fighting with a loser like you? Huh?
Until we jointly face our enemy in this palace. Nothing for us.
Come. How do you mean? How do you mean?
David is taking chances. And if he marries the princess, no spot for us. Especially you that is sleeping with the king.
And you that is sleeping with the prince, Inko? Yes. Am I the only one? No, I am not. See, Ebere, come. Ebere, we are not supposed to be fighting.
Now you're
We should be thinking of how we are going to sort ourselves out.
Now you're talking.
What do we do?
Fine.
You know something? Okay. We'll talk later. Alright.
Welcome to my humble abode. Come in, my friend. Come in. Welcome, my brother.
Papa, good afternoon. You are welcome, my son. You are really a man. It is written all over you.
We know it's written all over you. We know.
Guilty conscience speaking. My friend, will you go inside there and eat your food and say thanks, sir, afterward?
I'm sorry, Papa. That one will end soon. I promise you, I'll do something about it.
My son, I can't wait to see him go out there and make use of his useful strength. That is only if you agree. I know him.
He will stop telling you, Papa, thank you very much. I'll work on that. Okay. I'll do everything possible to ensure he stops saying that.
I'm very, very happy.
About it very soon.
Very, very happy.
My name is Leah. I know my guy is happy. So, I'll see you guys some other time. Respect, Father.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, okay, well, I miss you.
Bye-bye, oh. Nah. Bye-bye, no, bye-bye, no. Oh.
Papa, must you disgrace me even in front of my friends? Papa, haba!
Come if you pass it. Welcome, go inside there and take your food. Stop. If you like to make it. Is he not of the same age with you?
That boy's father was my business partner. And the boy in question had made some business deals with me, and that makes both of us good friends.
Bravo, sister. A good job well done. I see you're so in a hurry to take your chances.
I beg your pardon? I don't understand what you're talking about.
Oh, please come off the pretense. Jude that you broke up with suddenly showed up out of the blues. The same day you encouraged me to forget further talk about getting a bride. I encourage you. I applaud you. Well done.
Father, with all sincerity, your son needs medical attention.
What did you just say? Who needs medical attention? How dare you talk to me like that? Watch your mouth. Will you shut it?
Allow the dog back.
Father.
But if you let me be, I want to think.
All right, Father. I love you. Excuse me.